Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I've been having a little tinker around. I've actually drilled out the bolt that was snapped off in there. Had enough thread to put a nut on. I tried one nut, welded, another nut. Then I put a washer on and a nut. Another washer and nut. And that wasn't coming out, so what I had to do was drill it. I got a new set of drill bits. Basically started off, centre punched it, and I think I started off on a, I think it was a 3mm, yeah, 3mm, and then worked my way up, and basically got to 7.5, because it's an 8mm hole, and then I've got my 8mm taps, 1.25. Started one first, and then put the finishing one through. But what I also got, I've got these sockets, the tap sockets. So basically, rather than putting your T on the bottom there, you can actually put them in the socket. They're magnetic as well, so that one's like quarter drive, and then your next size, if you can see them, all your different squares to go on your taps. As you get bigger, they go 3/8, and smaller ones a quarter. Found my seat mount bolts after I looked through all the boxes and found them in the tin on the shelf. Once I got that drilled out, I then got I've got a spare seat base, so I mount the seat base in. I've replaced that bit. I cut that bit out and put a new bit in there. I've ground it down, but I've not gone to an inch of its life. I've basically ground it down, and then I've primed it so I can see where all the high spots are. So there's a bit like here what needs grinding off, that bit needs grinding off. But you know what it's like, if you start grinding, you take off more metal than you wanted to. So if you give it a little primer, you can see what else you've got to take off. I've drilled, after I mounted the seat in, I've then drilled that hole out at 12, and then drilled out. The other one is 9.5, so it gives you a little bit more clearance when you put the bolt in. I've put in, hello Shadow. Ooh. Oh, there's a tool. He's off that. I'm putting, trying to get around, the brackets in there. I've nut and bolted it to put it up, and then I'll put some tack screws through just to hold it. So it's sitting there nice and neat now. So it's basically ready to there's the other one. Trying to do this laying on the side. That's basically ready to spot weld in that. Basically ready. Cleaned the holes up. Well, I actually drilled them holes out to start with before I put the plate up. Then I've just put my flattened drill bit through, the head flattened off, just to clean the weld through primer, because I don't think they actually weld through as good with the primer on. So that's ready to go. Got a new bag for the helmet. It's actually a motorcycle helmet bag, so it saves, keep cleaning the screen every time. Does its job. Hot. Well, I think that'll do. All spot welded in there. Oh. New nut on there. So I've just got to clean all these spot welds up there. Got to finish cleaning that off. Obviously there was a split in there. I'll clean that up, and the next job is to take the fuel and brake pipe line bracket off, because there's a hole there and that's rot under there. And then we've got to make the other side one up, and obviously do that repair there. I think that'll do for today, because I don't think you might really want to see me clean it up. I'll show it in the next episode. So I'm happy with that. Thanks if you've been watching. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. If you're enjoying what I'm doing, give us a thumb up, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.